So today I'm going to unbox this. This one's the Amazon Eero Pro 6E tri-band mesh Wi-Fi router. So yeah, I purchased this used out of eBay for $200 plus tax. So the total damage is $217.50 total out the door. So yeah, hopefully this is going to be compatible with the Spectrum, but I believe so. So I guess the seller reused the box. Let's go ahead and unbox it. So the seller said they upgraded to the Wi-Fi 7. So come with the original box. Wow, it's pretty heavy. So yeah, this one support up to 1 gig. What? It's not the original box. So he bought the Eero Pro 7. I guess he purchased from Amazon when they have that Prime Day. What the? So this pink flamingo. Come with the 6 power cord. Come with the 3 of the power adapter. And then 1 RJ45. So yeah, this is supposed to cover up to 6,000 square feet. So yeah, the power goes in the middle, and you get 2 of the RJ45 jack in case you need to connect to your desktop or other devices that require the RJ45 plug. I have the Eero 6, and they works pretty well. So yeah, for $200, I'm pretty satisfied, because I was looking at the Best Buy, and they wanted like $549.99 plus tax. So this plug looks pretty new. Those 2 plugs. So I believe these 2 maybe came from the new one. And then he does the same one. So because the 27 watt This is the older one. That's why, because the logo is on the bottom. And this one must be from the new one too. It looks pretty new, never been used. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. So I believe I got a good deal on this. What do you think? Please comment on below. Anyway, I'll see you guys on the next one like always. Peace.